My name's Sky Trimmings. I'm totally food obsessed. I love everything food. I love cooking. It's my hobby. Anyway, we've decided to start filming some cooking videos just to show you guys that yes, I can cook. Anyway, the first recipe that I've chosen to do is called pork bulgogi. Anyway, so I've already marinated the pork. I've got pork belly, about 500 grams of pork belly here that I've sliced really thinly. And there's a marinade of gochujang, some red pepper powder, soy sauce, sesame oil, a little bit of oil, and some sugar. And what I've got to do is basically just fry it. So you want to do it on a really high heat. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of oil in here first. So it's really quite simple really, this recipe, but it's just delicious. Merry Christmas! And while I'm doing that, I'm just going to get the dipping sauce ready. So this is peppercorn chilli oil, and it's really, all I really got to do is just tip it in here. It's just beautiful, I love it. Right. Sprinkle a few toasted sesame seeds over the top. This is a pretty popular dish in Korea. They're really into their barbecues and that. Like ideally I would cook it on a barbecue, but you know, you can do it in a pan or on a grill. It doesn't take long. Okay, so you want to leave it for at least a minute or two before you turn it. Yeah, it really just doesn't take that long, but you want to make sure that it gets some nice golden colour. I'll start turning it. No, and leave it a little bit longer. I'll start turning it a bit now. Just keep an eye on it, just keep turning it. I mean, ideally, I would probably normally only cook half the amount in this size of a fry pan. But anyway, we'll get there. Delicious. Anyway, I know that the main ingredient in this is called gochujang. You can't really get it at any supermarket, but I just order it online. It's quite cheap. It's amazing stuff. You put just a teaspoon or so in soups or marinades. It's just awesome. But yeah, you can quite easily order it online, or if you happen to live near an Asian grocer. Yeah, keep turning it. Woo! Another minute and I won't be far off. Alright. Okay, it's almost done now. It really doesn't need too long. Like if you cook it too long, it's probably going to go tough. So I'll turn the heat off. And now I sort of try and arrange it on the plate to look a little bit fancy, and it's really not that hard. So this sauce always gives everything a just amazing colour when you use it, and it's so full of flavour. Touch my this in there. So there's my pork bulgogi. It's really not that hard, and it tastes amazing. And like, I know it's hard to get the ingredients, but if you just order them online, it's really easy and just, yeah, amazing. Give it a try. Thank you for watching me. So good. Need this in your life.